What's up, everybody? Welcome to the bar and Weekend Libations. I'm your host, Jay Fish. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to make a shooter called a bloody screwdriver. Here's what you're going to need to make this drink. Some Grenadine, vodka, orange juice, a cocktail shaker, and a 3-ounce shot glass. Let's go ahead and make this drink. Alright, we're going to start with 1 ounce of vodka. Follow that up with 3/4 of an ounce of Grenadine. Then go with 1 ounce of orange juice. Give it a shake. Strain it into our shot glass here. And there you go, a bloody screwdriver. A quick, fun, easy shot to make. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit that follow button and comment down below. Cheers, everyone.